Hi, I'm Nicole, and today we'll be making a robotic arm that you can control with your hand. What you'll need for this project is a piece of paper. It can be scrapbook paper, thin cardboard, even printer paper, as long as it's semi-flexible and a little bit sturdy. You'll also need a Sharpie, some washi tape, or it can also be Scotch tape, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. So for your string, I measured from the tip of my finger to my shoulder, 4 pieces of that. You're going to want to start by tracing your hand on your pieces of paper. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you'll take your scissors and cut it out. I already have a hand cut out, so we'll be using that. And then you're going to start by taking the smallest length and take a piece of string, string it through and tie it. Take your washi tape and tape it to the tip of a finger. And then you're going to take a middle length piece of straw and string it through. Get another piece of washi tape and tape it to a middle joint of the finger. And then you're going to take your longest piece of straw, once again, string it through, get another piece of washi tape, and tape it to about the middle of the palm, well, a little bit off center from the middle, but and then you're going to repeat for 4 of the fingers. So now you're all done. An option is to make finger holds. It makes it easier for you. You can control multiple fingers at once, or you can just use the strings like so. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see your creations, and make sure to tag ScrapsKC in your pictures.